Okay, so let's talk about how you can actually use your credit card wisely, right? So, a lot of buying real estate and borrowing money from the bank involves good credit, right? A lot of the interest rates you get involve good credit. So, make your payments on time. 35% of your FICO score is determined by your payment history. So you always want to make sure you make your payments on time because those late payments are literally 35% of your score being damaged, right? Pay more than your minimum all the time. That's the other thing you could do is paying only the minimum amount means you'll carry a balance and you will be charged interest on that amount. Pick the right due dates for payment. To help make timely payments, ensure that your due date falls at a convenient time of the month. If it doesn't, try moving it by changing it online or calling your user, and use the perks that come with your card. Many credit cards have added benefits, right? Like for instance, my credit card now has an added benefit of cash back. So when I get the money, I pay it off and I get cash back. I think it's like 2% or something like that, right? Sometimes you can get credit cards that give you air miles, and there's all kinds of things. So one of the main things you can do to make sure that your credit is good is just make sure that you make your payments on time. No late payments to build your credit.